Don't say I didn't tell you, say you didn't watch. Brands are paying huge amounts of money to creators, and here's how you can get into it. Imagine getting paid to create videos for brands without posting on your social media. Not worrying about engagement or the algorithm, just creating content and getting paid. That's UGC, and it's been a game changer for me. Let's talk about it. What is it, how you can start, and how I've been using it to work with brands. Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Mercy, and I'm so glad to have you here. So in my previous video, I talked about how to work with brand with 0 followers. Even though the videos didn't get a lot of views, but I've already promised that I'm gonna make like a continuation video. So now you might be asking, what's UGC? UGC stands for user generated content. Basically, content created by everyday people, not influencers. Brands want a real authentic content that feels like a friend recommending a product to a friend, a real authentic video. You don't need a big following. Brands just want a good content that they can use in ads and on the social media. Think of it like being a content creator, but without having to be an influencer. Those of you that doesn't like to be an influencer, this might just be what you want. Now I'm going to tell you how I got started making UGC video. I already love beauty and skincare, so making skincare demo or beauty review videos came very natural for me. Honestly, at first I thought I have to be an influencer to get branding, but then I realized I can sell my content without having to be an influencer, without posting on my page. I won't have to worry about who is watching and who is not watching. Get paid and the brand does all the posting. No need to stress over like or engagement. If you want to start making money with UGC, here is what you can do. How to start, or if you're still confused on what kind of content is UGC content, scroll to TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube Shorts. Look at brand ads, and most UGC video feel casual, just like a friend sharing a product they love. Step 2 on how to start creating UGC video. Record a simple product video. Use what you already have at home. You can start with an unboxing video, review, or a product demo. Just record a video. Use the products you already have at home. So step 3 is create a portfolio. Although it doesn't really matter if you don't have a portfolio. You can share your social media account when you are reaching to a brand. At least that's what I do. I just copy my social media where I post all the video, like the UGC videos that I made, or where I post my demo video, review video. Then I just share my social media handle to the brand anytime I'm reaching out to a brand, because brand is to see your work, to see if you can actually make a UGC kind of video, the type that they want to use on their ads or on their social media. If you're able to create a portfolio, that's also fine. Make sure you have a videos showcasing UGC example videos. Now that you have some samples video, you want to start pitching to brand, and here is how to land brand deals. You're gonna find brands that already use UGC creator. Just send them a simple message. Hi brand, my name is Mercy, and I would love to create a UGC video for you. Here's my portfolio, my social media handle, and let me know if you're interested. Very simple. Another way is by joining UGC platform, UGC marketplace. I'm gonna read them out for you. This platform help UGC creators to connect with brands. We have below, we have trend.oe, we have Fiverr, we have Upwork, and there's another one they call Incense. I'm gonna leave other platform here, and you start making money. How much can you make as a beginner? So you can make like $50 to $150 per video, and experienced creators can make like 300 plus per video, and some brands can even offer you ongoing deals, meaning consistent income. Influencers deals, brand pay you to post on your social media, and UGC, brands only care about your content. And the best part, you can actually do both. I do both. Like if you already love beauty and content creation, why not get paid while building your brand? So UGC has been a way for me to work with brands without stressing over social media numbers. So if you want to start making money with UGC, grab a product and start filming. So have you heard of UGC before? Would you try it? Let me know in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe for videos like this and making money as a creator.